Hi dear friends, in my previous video we were discussing on Dr. Satish Tripaঠি's convocation speech he has given at IIT Kanpur, and the title of the extract is Putting Data to Effective Use, a Great Challenge. We have seen almost one third of his speech already in my previous videos. Now we are going to discuss on his remaining speech. He says that I am firm believer that the truly big ideas and important discoveries take place at the intersection of fields. They involve many minds working together, approaching the same problem from different angles. The same problem, but from different angles. So the important discoveries take place at the intersection of fields. Up to this, we have discussed in my last video. Then he further says, here at IIT Kanpur, you have learned the great value of sharing ideas and information across disciplines. How you should share great ideas and information across disciplines you have learned in this institution. This is the basis for nearly all the important discoveries emerging from the world's labs, studios, and clinics today. And all whatever you have learnt here in this institution, that is the basis of for nearly all the important discoveries emerging from the worlds of labs, studios, and clinics today. No matter how brilliant your idea, be sure to test it against other theories and look at it from other vantage points. There may be ideas which are brilliant and excellent, but be sure to test it against other theories also. You should not neglect other theories. Your ideas you should check on the basis of other theories also, and look at it from other vantage points. Your attitude, your point of view should be different one. It will most certainly be even stronger for that. Of course, being willing to step outside of your own perspective and open your work up to the criticism of others requires a certain amount of risk. Risk is quite important thing. You must be able to take risk and open your work up to the criticism of others' perspectives, others' criticism. And that is the final principle I would like to share with you today. Plan strategically and carefully. Plan each and everything strategically and carefully, but always be willing to take risk. You should be able to take risk always. You will be ready. Always be ready to take risk. I took a risk in the 1970s when I ventured outside the established field of statistics to explore computer science. Established field was there. Statistical established field was there at that time in 1970s, but I took a risk and to explore computer science. At the time when only a handful of scholars were working in this field. Very few scholars were there working in the computer science field. I took another risk when I left India to continue my graduate studies in Canada. He shifted, Dr. Tripathi shifted himself from India to Canada to being a graduate person in computer science. And over the course of my academic career, I have ventured into the unknown again and again. Many times I faced the problems which were not known to me. These problems were unknown to me. So the University of Maryland, for my first faculty position at the University of Maryland, to launching a new engineering school in California, to the University of Buffalo, where I had the opportunity to help lead a major research university on an international board. It was a great opportunity I received to establish a research university on the international border. And I have worked with University of Maryland to launching a new engineering school in California. I served as provost of the University of Buffalo for 7 years. Provost means first rank administrator. He served as a first rank administrator of the University of Buffalo for 7 years. This is a very long period. And I have served as president for more than 5 years now in the same institution. He served as a president, not 1 or 2 years, but for 5 years. And I am very pleased to tell you that every day new opportunities present themselves. There are always new opportunities available and present there. You have to just take this opportunity for granted, and you have to face this opportunity positively. Of course, there is no magic formula for success. What he says, Dr. Tripathi says that there is no magic formula for success. There comes a point when each of us must choose our own way. You are at the point of right now. Everybody has to choose a right path, a right point, and all of you are on the same boat at the same moment. You are ready to chart your own course forward, building on the knowledge and first principle you have learned as student here. There comes a point when each of us must choose our own way. You are at the point right now. You are ready to chart your own course forward, building on the knowledge and first principle you have learned as students here. Building knowledge is quite essential thing in our life, which you have learned here in this institution. Today's world is very much a globalized one. And as graduates of a global university with an international reputation, you are very well positioned to lead and contribute in this world. You are in a very good university, globalized university, and the university which has a global reputation also. You are very well positioned as learning in this university, world ranking university, to lead, to contribute in this world. Now you are ready to contribute in the development of the world. Now, as graduates, you are ready to make a profound difference as the next generation of global leaders in your fields here in India and around the world. There are more possibilities to create a new generation with your knowledge and your contribution. then you will become a global leader in the particular field. So congratulations and all best wishes for much success. So finally Dr. Tripathi congratulated them and gave them best wishes for their better future also. Here ends this unit, this topic, this lesson and this speech of Dr. Tripathi for IIT Kanpur convocation ceremony. There are many questions on it. There are some one word, one sentence or one phrase questions. At the same time, there are multiple choice type questions given in the text on page number 96. There are comprehension type of questions. Answer the following questions in 3 to 4 sentences each. Like, who is Praveen Bhagwat? How does big data analytics help us? What is the impact of data science in the health science? Which lessons have held true according to the speaker? How does an idea become stronger? So all these are the questions related to comprehension questions. And there are some questions 8 to 10 lines each. What is the speaker's relationship with IIT Kanpur? You have to give answer of this question in 8 to 10 lines. Then there are vocabulary exercises, understanding and practice the following techniques of forming new words. Prefixes, suffixes, verb, adjective, noun and adjective. So there are such kinds of exercises. You should go through it on page number 96 and 97. Try to sort out all these questions at your home with the help of textbook and with the help of my lectures on the particular unit. So go through the lectures carefully, listen the lectures carefully by downloading it. Go to Google Classroom also. These lectures are available on YouTube also, but that will be better to visit Google Classroom and you should listen all the relevant and sequential lectures on the topic, on this topic, not only this topic but all the topics which I have taught to you online. So we will see in my next video the next topic. We will start next unit in my next video. Till then, thank you.